I love bringing spaces to life. I'm gonna be taking this empty and open room and turning it into my dream creative office.
My name is Erica, and I'm a designer.
Let's get into the process. I need to start with a mood board. So that includes my colors, styles, any inspiration. I wanna be decorating this room with Japandis. So as you can see, I have the orange, I have the pinks, the blues. I added this rug to give this room a little depth, but also it complements the colors of the products we'll be seeing. On to the main event, AKA the Transformer Table to Desk. She's compact. You can get her in two, she's stylish, she's demure. We're gonna put it all together. Come along with me. This desk is the most perfect thing for this creative office because she has the hidden compartments, of course. I don't like any too much clutter. She fits up to 2 screens, they're adjustable. I can use her for late night dinners on top of the table, or I can use her for Netflix breaks. Let's move on to this blank wall. I wanted to combine graphics of artists that I love, as you can see, Vincent van Gogh, William Morris, and other graphics which I found really fun. Let's move on to seating. I wanted to add a window seat because they create the illusion that your room is much bigger than it seems. Also, they add such a relaxing touch. Now onto my matcha corner or caffeine corner. I use the Transformer table in the console form to 1, keep it out of my living room, but 2, it also completes the room with the contrast it gives. And it's a cute little touch, especially with this lamp. If you enjoyed this video and would like to explore new decor tips, new styles, or just get inspired, let's do it all over again. So hit that subscribe button and let us know what you think in the comments.